Good morning everybody and welcome to the allotment. Good morning everybody and welcome to my Yorkshire Gardener vlog for today. Today is Friday and it's absolutely glorious already. It's about 8:30 in the morning. I'm down here, I've got lots to do, more seeds to plant, more watering to do, more stuff to paint. Just keeps on going and not enough time. I don't know if you're all like me. There's so much to do but you have little time to get it all done with, so you've got to try and fit it all in as much as you can. So yeah, I'd best get planting some seeds today. Hopefully I'm going to plant about 20 to 30 trays depending if I've got enough compost. I need to go out and get some more of that this weekend. So yeah, let's get cracking. All my tomato seeds. I'm a bit later than what people usually start, but I usually start mine off at end of March. They usually do all that, so I'm planting Gardener's Delight. That's another Gardener's Delight, just in case they don't come up. Plus a lot of my friends want small ones. Alicante. Little Tumbling Tom. Moneymaker. Mini Bell, it's not the cheese. Roma. And red cherry. So I'll have lots of different varieties this year. That is the plan. Well, planted and wrapped up, ready to start growing in this nice beautiful sunlight and warmth. So these are the next seeds that I'm getting planted. Squash, marrow, carrots, peppers, more squash. Doing different varieties this year. These Harlequin carrots, never grown them before. Apparently they're nice, so I'm going to try them. I love trying new things. Some more peppers. More peppers. More peppers. And beetroot. I've not really grown peppers before. I've done them once, but yeah, I want to have a go at blasting peppers this year. See how we get on with that. Hopefully I'll have enough room for them all. So I've got on with planting my seeds. I've run out of compost now, so I'll have to wait till next time. Still got another 40 odd trays to plant. About 18 vegetable seeds and fruit, and the rest are flower seeds. So I best get some more compost for them over the weekend to carry on the good work. Next job is to clear out this herb bed. I've got lemon balm growing in there and thyme. So I need to get them cut back so that the fresh stuff can grow through. So let's get cutting. I've chopped it all back, then I've given it a spruce paint. It'll need another coat once that's dried. I can now get into water the lemon balm which is growing. Who else has lemon balm on their pot? I use it in hot water. It's meant to help you sleep, so yeah, that's what I use it for. So it can now fill out and bush out like it does each year. Now on to giving the potato beds one more coat. I'll be planting them out in a couple of weeks. Good Friday is the time when I plant them every year. So yeah, we best let these spruced up a bit and ready. Good morning and welcome to the second part of my Yorkshire Gardener vlog. I've joined it up with yesterday's as this is a short one today. I've come down here at 6:30 in the morning. You can see my breath. It's not that cold to be honest, it's about 6-7 degrees. The sun is just rising. I don't know if you saw my pic from yesterday on my page, it looks lovely. I've got a bit of weeding to do this morning and maybe try and get some painting done, as I've still got loads of painting left to do. So yeah, stay tuned for what's happening today. So that's what I painted yesterday. My herb box looks better. Probably need another coat on it. I'm doing that bit next. That's going to be my carrot bed, and I'm going to grow sweet peas up against my shed. So that's my next job for today. So I've given this a weed and given it a lick of paint. Still needs another coat. As you can tell, it's going to take a bit to cover it. But this is where I'm going to grow my carrots, and I'm going to grow sweet peas up against my front of my shed to make it look nice and to attract the bees. So I hope you've enjoyed today's vlog. It is the Yorkshire Garden, I've just had a shave. so in between filming. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. Got lots to do, still got lots more seeds left to plant, more painting to do. I've got some more shelving to put up because I've got more seeds to plant. So the job is never endless when you've got an allotment. You'll never get to the end of your jobs. I don't know if anybody else does. Post your comments below in the video, and also please click that subscribe button so that you get notified as I post videos up. Thank you for watching again, and keep gardening.